Hi, this is Reiki Master-Teacher Jessica Hitch with Peaceful Presence in Dallas-Fort Worth. And I know a lot of you have been brought to this website by your spirit guides, and you may be wondering, what is Reiki? So, Reiki is a form of Eastern medicine that works with our vital life force energy. This is what is known as Qi or prana, or in Reiki, it's the Ki. So at birth, we all have a certain amount of this life force energy. And we can see in the young, they have a lot of energy, a lot of vitality. We can see that as we age, it fades. And so in Eastern medicine, they believe that when this Ki is disrupted in its natural flow, it can cause discord and disease in the body. And so Reiki is a divinely guided life force energy. It's a healing energy that flows through the practitioner's hands into the client. And since I have received my Reiki attunement and practiced Reiki, I have been able to give myself daily Reiki self-treatments that have helped me to heal from a disabling condition to where I couldn't walk, and now I can again. I've been able to offer Reiki to others, and I've seen it help with headaches. And in some cases, I've learned that something we experience isn't just physical. So physical pains often have emotional root causes, or they may have mental root causes or spiritual root causes. And so Reiki goes to the true root cause of whatever we're experiencing as a discord or disruption and heals it. So I hope that helps explain just a little bit about Reiki and what it is. And if you have any questions, definitely check out my site or feel free to get in touch. I'd love to chat. All right, talk to you later. Bye.